I'm really happy to be here at Cobots.
Yeah.
It's the first time that you launch a university robot alliance conference
Yes.
training center.
Yeah. So we're launching the Universal Robots Training Academy.
Yes, it's the first time here, right?
Yes, the first time in Ireland. So
Yes.
it's very exciting for us. And we hope to launch it in February. And today is our official kickoff day.
Yes. And I think you have the ambition to be the leader here in Ireland.
Absolutely. So we use collaborative robots, but we're also interested in your area, which is Industry 4.0.
Yes. And for everybody around, the Industry 4.0 consists of 17 pillars, and one of the pillars is robots. And robots are connected to everything which is in manufacturing, oil and gas, biopharma, everything where you want to automate manually task that you have. So it's part of the digitalization, so robots, sensoring, digital operations, and engineering. So it combines a lot of these universes.
Great. So if you'd like to launch it,